What's up, crypto fam? Welcome back to another episode. And if you guys are new here, we do a giveaway at the beginning of every single episode. And today's winner is Watch Crypto Fan. I just sent you some cryptocurrency, and if you guys want to win on the next video, don't forget to like and comment below. Today's interview is with Crypto Gnome. I'm really excited to be talking about trading bots. It's come up a lot. A few dozen people have DM'd me over the past 6 months about different types of bots. So we're gonna dive in with Crypto Gnome about the benefits of using one, removing the emotion from trading on exchanges, and we're also gonna talk about his upcoming project. It's really exciting that I'm gonna be giving a test out. So let's dive right into the interview. I am here with Mike from Crypto Gnome, and we are going to talk about bots. How's it going, Mike?
All right, it's going good, man. Thanks for taking some time to speak with me.
For sure, for sure. So trading bots have come up a lot over the past, I'll say, year and a half on my radar, and I've definitely tested out a couple. Let's cover some ground first. Like, what is a trading bot and what are the quick benefits that people can see from a trading bot?
I mean, a trading bot is pretty much like what it sounds like. It's a robot that will make trades on your behalf. Pretty simple, actually. They usually run off of a preset algorithm, or if you guys would think of an indicator, so maybe a common one would be Bollinger Bands. It'll take that and take the user perspective of how you would trade. So if the price went underneath a Bollinger Band, then you would look to make a buy. Now, maybe you're not there when it's going underneath on a daily candle or something, but you can program a bot to do something as simple as that, to look for that operation, and it'll do it for you when you're not there. So it helps you catch different opportunities or follow a strategy. This is why I like them, is if you have a really good strategy, it'll allow you to follow that without the human. Sometimes you feel traders do irrational things because of emotions. Yes. So it can just take the whole emotional side of trading out of it. So sometimes if you have a good strategy, it can be more effective than the human aspect. But yeah, you also can't react. A bot can't react to market things. So they have their ups and downs. But yeah, that'd be my quick summary of that.
That's a really great point about removing the emotion out of trading, because I do feel like in the space now, there's a lot of young people just like you and I kind of coming in that are new, and they are trading, speculatively, and a lot of it is fueled by emotion. So I didn't actually think about that, and that's a really good point.
Yeah, I mean, if you've ever won 100x on like a leverage exchange and you felt the adrenaline, you know what I'm talking about. So
with trading bots, how does it work? Is it going to be left on like a custodial exchange like a Binance or a Coinbase or something like that? Or is it going to be left on the third-party platform that is the trading bot? How does that work at the end of the day?
We've tested just about every trading bot out there. We have a very large Discord community, about 14,000, that's grown over the past year. And kind of something that's happened there is we all band together. There's like a big group of about 20 of us that test everything before we release it and review it. And I don't think we've seen a single bot yet. Your funds are always on the exchange, and then the bot is usually either it's in the cloud or it's a downloadable executable file or something like that will interact with your exchange through the API. And that's pretty standard. So you are counting a lot, 100% on the exchange security to protect your funds. There's always risk. I mean, this is crypto, right?
Yeah.
The risk of this is very minimal compared to some of the ICO games that have been going on, or some of the other stuff that we don't need to get into.
Let's dive into the fun part of the conversation. And you're working on a bot, Scavenger Bot. So Can you tell us, I guess, what exchanges you guys are on? What are the fees? And yeah, what's exciting about Scavenger Bot?
So Scavenger Bot is kind of like a new concept. Our thought was from using and testing all these bots, they always charge a high fee up front. So ours is free to use to start. So you can just get in and hook up to the exchange and like watch a trade. Right now we're in open beta, so the only exchange we have going right now is BitMEX, and the only exchanges that we will support in the future will be leverage exchanges with leverage. So in the future, we're planning on adding Deribit, and then Digitex is the other one that we're hoping launches in December, right? So I know they have 0 fees, so that'll be exciting for us to see if we can make our way into that space there. But yeah, it's free to use, and then we invoice every week. If you make a profit, if you don't, we don't. We've been running about 3 months, about 98 days with our beta test group, our closed beta test group, and we've traded about 5,000 BTC through the bot, and yeah, we have some users making some pretty good profits. So we're happy with the results so far, and yeah, I mean, we're bringing something new to the BitMEX space that basically anyone can just plug and play and get in the community and ask questions. So we're excited. It's something new, something different.
Yeah, that's great. So as far as experience level goes, I know that a few people have reached out to me about BitMEX because it's clearly, you know, the leader right now as far as leverage trading goes. And as far as an experience level, when someone's signing up for a Scavenger Bot, do they have to be very familiar with trading? Can they be beginners? What are your thoughts on that?
With anything else, I mean, you can be a beginner. We make it really, really easy. It takes like 10, 15 minutes to set up. Basically, all you have to do is create an account and an API key. We have the strategy and everything done, and the algorithm calculates everything for you, but just based off your balance. So we're not trading directionally. It's a market-making bot, so we are adding liquidity to the exchange, which all big exchanges want people like us to do. And we're, instead of trying to go long or go short, we're doing both at once. And we're basically on little moves where we're buying on one side and then selling on the other side for a profit. And we just do that like 15 to 20 times per hour. And it's easy, but should you know about the exchange? Yes. I mean, I think education in this space is super important. And regardless of how easy it is, I still think anyone using an exchange should take the time. And there's so much information out there, whether it be YouTube videos or Medium posts, stuff like that.
Where can users find you guys, and where can they find more information?
Scavengerbot.io is the easiest place. That's our website. And from there, you can watch we have a live stream of the bot going on Twitch TV, so you can check that out if you just want to look. And we have a Discord if you want to come in and ask questions. But yeah.
Very cool. Very cool.
So I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Have you used a trading bot yet?
Yes. I used Crypto Hopper probably 6 months ago, something like that. Really long time ago. And I enjoyed it for the most part. I did find the fees to be probably the reason that I stopped. I've been exploring around for different bots. I'm definitely going to check out Scavenger Bot. I think I want to, not only support a fellow crypto YouTuber, but I also want to start moving things around.
Diversify.
Yeah, for sure.
Especially if you're a lot in alts and you have some crypto just sitting around.
I'm excited to check out Scavenger Bot, and I know that I've gotten that question a lot about trading bots and the benefits and what makes each one different. But yeah, I'm going to check it out.
Awesome.
That's it for my interview with Crypto Gnome. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to slap a like. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next episode of Hack Crypto.